Want to read your Viber messages without instantly letting your sender know you've seen them? Learn how to disable message receipts and browse your chats with more privacy. Viber, like many messaging apps, by default shows a seen status, indicated by 2 purple checkmarks next to messages once the recipient has read them. If you prefer to read these messages without sending this automatic notification, you can easily disable this feature in your privacy settings. So, from the app, first tap on More by the bottom right corner. Then tap on Settings. Under Settings, look for the Privacy tab. The third option there should be one labeled Seen Status. This option will be enabled by default. Tap on the corresponding tick mark to disable the setting. And there you go! Other contacts will now no longer be able to check if you've seen their messages or not. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon! Bye bye!